Yo, what's up? Welcome. What's going on, y'all? We got a quick day today. I should put my seatbelt on. Safety first. We got a shoot today that's fairly simple. It's for a commercial, for a app. More of a, I'm not gonna say it's a commercial. It's more for their website, advertising their app. It's very simple. We're doing no audio. Mostly, it's a voiceover. So we're just shooting the B-roll for the voiceover, and it's fairly straightforward and simple. It should be about 4 hours. No more than 6, and it's pretty much a shot list that we're gonna hit, and that's it, man. It's a small crew size, 2 people today. I know last shoot we did 3, this one we're only doing 2, and it's gonna be real quick and easy. May use a little bit of slider, but that's about it. I told you, oh man, something just shifted around. I told you corporate shots are fairly easy. So, you know, this was a straightforward, easy corporate shoot. And that's that. So make sure you stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it. And let's go out here and get it. Let's make the donuts. Bingo. All right, guys, we're getting ready to film. Real quick, me and Ross here. Getting ready to knock out this quick shoot. We're filming a quick commercial.
A commercial?
Yes, sir.
What do you advertise?
It's for an app.
App?
Yeah, it's for a marketing app.
Okay.
Right now we're doing YouTube, so say hello to everybody on YouTube.
You are ahead of the curve. Excellent.
Thank you. So after we got harassed, we were setting up in this area, which is pretty decent. I like areas like this because I have a light coming from 2 places. So one will be my fill light and one can be my hair light. And then I can just provide a key light. I like to shoot wide open just to give it some depth. I like that shallow depth of field, especially when I use the 30mm f1.2. It is my favorite wide angle lens. So I'm going to put an ND filter on it and pull back to give you a beautiful shot. And we just kept working with the client until we got the shots that we needed. Again, my Sigma 30 f1.2 is my favorite lens. It is so worth it, and it is beautiful on the A7S III. So this is the final shot and how it came out. Actually, the actual shot, I was able to pull some more details from that highlight because I didn't overexpose it in the final shot. But on this shot where I just grabbed this clip, it may have looked that way, but not necessarily because I exposed for the highlights. And then I lit it accordingly. And here I'm using the Helios 44. It is a cheap $100 lens that I love. You gotta get one. I'll post a link in the description. And it has great bokeh. It's really good. So we're getting ready to wrap. And we're doing some over the shoulder shots because I wanted to show the screen. The hardest part about that is making sure you get the shutter speed to a point where there's no flicker, and then do a slide. Here we move to a different location. And it's a simple shot. We went back to the 30 f1.2. It was almost my go-to lens for the day. So it's me grabbing some Snapchat shots, and here's the final shot. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, first part of the shoot is over with. We are on the way to the second location, and then we're gonna wrap for the day. We're gonna probably stop and grab something to eat real quick because the second stuff moving around like crazy. I just threw stuff in so we can get to the next location. We're gonna grab something to eat because the second talent is not ready. Yeah, I couldn't think of it. The second talent is not ready, so we're gonna go do that real quick and then wrap. We should only be filming for like another hour or so, so it ain't that bad. I am burning up. It's hot. Just like that, Dallas go from freaking cold to hot, just that quick. And I am burning up. So here we're at the talent's apartment, which is a beautiful apartment with a really nice view of the skyline of Dallas. And I really wanted to capture it, but the problem we ran into is we had too much light. And to get the best shots, keep in mind, you have to expose for the light that's behind you and then match it with lighting. So we didn't want to run a 1K light. We didn't want to run nothing crazy to get that, to match it, because normally I would bring my light storm, my LS1s, and we would just blast the area with light, add an ND filter so we can shoot wide open and get a very, very natural, beautiful shot where we have the skyline. But what we decided to do, because this talent roll was so little, it was just a quick shot, we decided to lower the shades to add some diffusion, and we lowered them partially behind them, just half of them, because we still use that as a hair light. We ended up actually coming up with that shade on the right a little bit, and you'll see in the future, but the shot ended up coming out pretty good. And this is a very, very quick shot like that. That's in the final clip, which you'll see shortly. And it worked out fine. Me and my guy Ross here.
What's up?
We're on top of the world right now, getting her done. You know what I'm saying? We look like two characters off Mortal Kombat. Oh, this is an M&M. Look how big that M&M is. It's huge, man. I feel like they're gonna get up and walk away. Well, that's that. Day's over with. We filmed from about, punch in my directions. We filmed from about 10 to 3. Good thing about structure-based pricing is clients want you to finish early and you still get your money. That's the great thing about structure-based pricing. It's a win-win for everybody involved. And it was a quick shoot, quick, easy shoot. I usually grade my shoots in 2 ways, right? So I do what's called a commercial shoot or a news level shoot, right? Commercial shoot requires cinematic lighting, you know, big time lighting. News style, talking head, simple, requires less lighting. Today was more of a simple style shoot, even though we were able to pull some cinematic shots. But it was just a quick shot, quick shoot. Me and my boy Ross knocked it out. I still got a lot of my day left to go hang out and do what I want to do. So it was a good day. That's the great, those are the best Flashfilm media days, where you can make good money, still have a large chunk of your day, and then you're done. You're off to the next project. And this is a client that we've worked with before. We actually worked with a friend of theirs before, and they referred me to this client because this client actually came on set while we were working with a friend, and just hit me up and say, hey, remember me? I was working with that other project, and I would love to, we need some video. So we did it, knocked it out, it's done. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it, and stay tuned for more content out in the field.